Listen to the dialogues and complete the missing parts. Dialogue 1. Making an omelette. Use the words in the boxes to complete the dialogue.
Okay, tell me how to make an omelette.
Alright, let's prepare the ingredients.
What ingredients do we need?
2 eggs, salt, pepper, and some oil.
And the equipment?
Just a fork, a bowl, a dish, a frying pan, and a spatula, and a stove, of course.
Right then, what should we do?
First, break the eggs into a bowl and season with salt and pepper.
Like this?
Yes. Then, beat the eggs well with the fork.
I see.
Next, heat some oil in a frying pan.
Okay.
After that, pour the mixture into the pan. And finally, cook the omelette.
Is that all?
That's all. Easy, right?
I think it is.
Dialogue 2. Making infused water. Complete the dialogue with the sentences in the boxes.
Let's make infused water.
Sure. What do we need to make infused water?
What flavor do you want? Do you want apple, lemon, lime, or strawberry?
Lime is nice, I think.
Okay, so we need limes, mineral, or boiled water, and ice cubes.
What equipment do we need?
We need a knife, a pitcher, and cups.
What should we do then?
First, wash the limes and slice them thinly.
Like this?
Yes. Now, fill the pitcher with mineral or boiled water and put the slices of lime in it.
What will we do with the ice cubes?
Put the ice cubes in the pitcher to make the water cool.
Can we drink it now?
No, we have to wait until the water is flavored and cool. It may take 1 to 2 hours. If we do not have ice cubes, we can put the pitcher in the refrigerator to cool it. After that, we can serve the infused water.
I see. I thought it was difficult, but it turns out to be easy.